Supposing I have take one of this. What is the uniqueness about the art? We say Eja, and I'm the year drawing.
Normal Ijaya.
Normal Ijaya, okay. And I'm the year drawing. Okay. And I'm making sure say every drawing I may be, and yes, a drawing keke. Name on Ubenya Bibi, a film, say Adisuya, a beboa, a brabo, any impuntu.
Okay, is it we know design way of a cassava there?
Okay, we're my friend keep the keys.
Keep the keys.
Keep the keys.
Okay.
Me who say, and I'm feeling say, Nipa that's a Nibia as I see way, so Niama ye day like you tie ye pan a casa.
Okay.
A better de be our so Rebecca so Miming Casa, but ye be put me casa echo. But Sakasana ye can so it's me a mistake if you and it's me feel say in this life, you know. With what you have and what is in you, it's not everybody that needs to know much. So sometimes there are some stuff about you, you need to keep it secretly.
Okay.
That is the idea behind it.
Okay.
It's in the sana odiakata nanona. Actually, say, and yet in Sembiana also can say ni father saying if you say Ubaya Akan Kasemwa, you will be an assassin. You can say, I should be beefy, one or day, once in everything.
Okay, it's where you keep the keys.
Yeah, keep the keys.
Anna, where so
self-education.
Self-education. Anna, where so
way avoidance of negative.
Avoidance of.
This work is very powerful, but if you look at it, you just feel like it's just a picture, but it's not like that. The graphic piece at the back of the background is purposely of a reason. And then it's another scene as Nature said, she doesn't want to listen to any kind of negativity. So the graphic contains words. And if you look at the words on the graphic, they are French words.
Yes,
which she doesn't understand. You understand? So I see if you a human being and you feel like you want to listen to the words of people, it will confuse you, it will kill your energy and a whole lot about you. So you need to prevent yourself out of all this.
Anna, where so
watch your back.
Watch your back.
Yeah, watch your back.
On my chest, also
not necessarily say says. I feel say human being needs to be grateful. We should remember where we are coming from. There are sometimes in life right now people don't want to do good because of people, because they feel like they have helped people and they have not remembered them anymore. So they don't want to do good anymore. So I did this work to, remind us as people also to be grateful to where we are coming from. Sometimes when we feel say a moi is always about money. But no, sometimes a castle be it misses our bravo. So we just need to be watchful and open our mind and watch our back and be grateful to all.
It's Nipeduani.
And any one that she said, it's any nature will say, you will need the carriage, can go for our head and one ball. Yama will feel my son, I will do, and be grateful to all these people.
I'm not really so ahead.
And it's an ODB in our dream. It's a would be when near and also be what dream. What dream never show, I want to be so get thinking.
It's the Pamela Suna, I also a session or who could be the why I
oh yeah, sometimes also I say it and it comes to me. Sometimes also I can just take your picture like this. I will distort the picture to my own useful way, how I want it to be. You understand? It's about creativity. And creativity comes with style. There is nothing like mistake in creativity.
It's the own inspiration, the free demon.
I get my inspiration from the world.
Who are I'll say many inspiration
from the world of nature. Okay, so this is self-education. So by making sure that they make impact on you. You understand? It should make an impact on you. Yeah, so that is the purpose of self-education. You have to educate yourself most so that you won't get brainwashed. Nichini. Also, this is the book. Book contains words. Books contain wisdom, which we learn. You have to hold on to what you do, like what you learn, impact yourself, and make sure you have tied yourself into it so that you will know your part. After you learn all this things, you feel good. when you say so with your blogging now because when you get close to someone, you feel confident, you feel good about, you relax. That is it. So after you educate yourself, it makes you feel good.
What starting project how many days, months, years it taking?
Okay, so it depends on the work and the effort that I put in as an artist as well.
Alright.
So some works take me a week. Some work take me months. Yeah.
That one design is here. I'm for SNO request and
okay, so this one purposely for request, and sometimes also as an artist you always have to work. You understand?
We say
Baku any day.
Actually, all right. NT as a designer, me. Pan Benson number, social media. Pan Benson will beat me contact you.
Okay, so I'm on Instagram as Junior Justice. Okay, so Instagram Junior Justice.
Junior Justice
_ the Fire Artist. Junior Justice _ the Fire Artist. Okay. Open my number so 0594 725953.
Sense should be a man.
0594 725953. It's my